you go. Good boy. No? You don't like green beans? Come here. They're good. You need something green. Here. Green beans, Waylon. 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 Hey, good boy. Mom's eating them. Nom, nom, nom. Hey, look here. No cartoons. Hey, Waylon. No? Ready? No green beans? Here. Oh! Oh! What? You're good. Come here. No? No green beans. Yum, yum, yum. Let Mommy some. Okay, here. You see Mom eat them, maybe you can eat them. Oh, I almost got him in. Can't have everything sweet. Waylon, come here. No? Oh. Don't like green beans? Is that good? That's not good? Here, let me see. Ooh, nom, nom, nom. Oh, jeez. I guess we're not kidding you anymore, huh? No more? No more green beans? They're just as bad as peas, aren't they? Want another bite? Want another bite? No? No? Here it comes. No. Yeah? Good? All right, I guess that's it.